Welcome, here I've got TCL 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to Pro. Here we are. The Pro mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left, the first one button here. When we tap on this we get access to this slider. This is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. By using this we can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right to 6 4/4 of it. So this is really wide and pro spectrum of the ISO at this device. Of course we can easily go back to the auto settings by just simply tapping on this button here from the right, and it goes back to the auto. The next one button here is the shutter speed, so here we can manage the time of taking picture. By using this slider we can make it much shorter from 1 8/1000 of seconds, so this is really short time of taking picture, and this should be better to objects that are in move with a good light. When we go to the right on this slider we can make it much longer to the 1 4/4, so this is longest time, and this should be better to objects that are, for example, stable. Of course, to go back to the auto shutter speed we have to simply tap on this button from the right and it goes back to the auto. Now let's go to the next one button. Here we have the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of the picture. By using this we can make it much brighter by going to the right, by going to the left much darker, so this is how it works here. And of course, to go back to the auto exposure compensation, let's tap on this button from the right here. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the white balance, so we can manage the temperature of the picture in Kelvin degrees by using this slider, and going from the left we can make it much colder. So this is the balance between the blue light and the orange light. When we go to the right we can make it much warmer, so this is how it works. Of course the auto white balance is here. When we tap on this it goes back to the auto settings. Now let's go to the next one button. Here we have the focus, so we can manage the autofocus, and by using this slider change it to the manual focus. So this is how it works here. And of course, to go back to the autofocus we have to simply tap on this. We have also one extra button here from the right, so when we manage all of these settings, for example like that, we don't have to separately go back in every of the sliders to the auto. We can do it by just tapping on this button and it all go back to the auto. And this is how it works. Now let me manage this and take a picture. So for example, let me pick ISO here, shutter speed here. Now let's move to the white balance, maybe warmer one, and the focusing. To see my picture, let's go to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so we get quick access to the gallery. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.